Hi, in this lesson I will show you how to add a dynamically form and hide or unhide the columns. For example, we have a product openings in out and closings. I click the closing. We don't need to show the closing. I check this closing, then it's hide and check it. Then it's will be showed. The bulk option check all, then hide all. When you uncheck all, then unhide all. Go to the another sheet. The transaction we don't need the description to here the column D. This is a column number and here is a column heading. Check the description. Now see here the description is hidden. Go to item list. Here also no need the description. Check the column C and description. Okay, let's move to the coding. We open the Visual Basic. This is a simple template. Right click on it on view the codes. First I declared a statement. In some statements is using the PTR save and some is without the PTR. Okay, let's me understand about that. If VBA 7 it's run the PTR saves and the log is PTR logs. In the else, if VBA if your Excel version is VBA 7, then run this script. Else run this script. That's here I use some global variables we use in all of them. This is a combo box change. To select all sheets in here I add a call as a long variables application.screen updating false application.display alert false. When code is run, this two is a false. If checkbox value equal to true, then for r equal to listbox.list count and listbox select this r not true. And here the next r because we run the loops on here. The call we assign the active seal dot cells special cells. Here I add the type of the last cell offsets dot end excel to left columns active cell dot column and here add the screen update. That's mean we run again. When you change this transaction sheets and this column is there and this sheets will activate it and this combo box event is a mouse move. When the mouse move here select the mouse move then the combo box the drop down. For example, when I run this runs and when you not without click it's drop down. When your mouse is move in the drop down is a combo box one code and this is the list box change code. The column that selected on the list box are hidden. I use the same statements as per our before. I use codes optimize my codes and it's run the faster. Here I SR as integer the declare the variables. If this okay, then SR0 to list box true and the list box understand this one. Active sheets when you pick the sheets will be activated and cell 1 split list box SR means your list box dot list count like your column number and entire column dot hidden it else the same code but entire column hidden is false. For example, when you check this check boxes and then this is a hide otherwise this is a user form initialization code. User form is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. With me, this is objective of user form. You change to with me to add a name. Yeah, it's also working. Because by default, dot me is a objective name. Dot left, this is application dot width minus dot width the 7. Because we need to some minus the margin of the left side. The top is run it, it's the top is a 0. When I change it is a top to 15. Now see here, it's some more showing in the bottom. Here I assign the variables for the workbook worksheet.count. This sheet's workbook will be added on the combo box. The combo box add.c and t name. This variables, for example, we have 100 sheets. Like I add one and I run this code. Now see here, the sheet is automatically added. This single line, the run the loops and all sheet will be added in the combo box. And here I the next loop, then active sheet dot value equal to active sheet name. We have 500 sheets, and what is the active sheet combo box value? The active sheet. Each sheet is already activated. Here I add this variable list column active sheet dot use range dot column. In my case, when I choose the sheet, we not have any column not showing in the here, and import the showing the multiple column. We use the use range because we no need to the entire column on our list box. And I use use range dot column count. Here find the address if combo box value dot column st that hidden equal to true, and end if the next statement. Here I user form activate, and this code I run in the above. See these modules. When the modules run, the user form is run. The better you call it this form on your this workbook, and into workbook property, workbook open, and just run it. Then you easily work in here. No need any confusion about that. We add one more column ER transaction. See here, ER column is automatically populated. Hide or unhide it. It's fine. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Bye bye.